piggies. This is where the green key is. You see, I'm not sure. The last. Oh, that's a statue of me over there. You don't want to see the spawn. You don't want to see it. This is where you get the white key and escape. But you're gonna have to shoot all soldiers down. Okay? Okay. This is where you escape, but there'll be a couple of soldiers. And I'll show you where the piggy spawn is. Follow me, guys. Come on, mine. This is where you spawn. You see this pink thingy? That's the piggy spawn. Blue spawn means it's you. Oh yeah. In case you want to put two, it'll switch spots every minute you play a game. There's hold on, guys, let me count. Okay, there's a million of them. Just don't know how much is there. So yeah, guys, guys, if you're a fan of me, go on Roblox, use Roblox code, not stock code, because I don't have that, but use my name, Sonickoala12345. Okay? Don't mess it up for me, okay? I don't have a lot of people on. See, guys, this is embarrassing, but I put these guys. This is the statue. Oh, I can't fly. Get the nose. See me, guys? You see me? Oh, I put that for a reason, because you see me? Hold on. Let me go up here. You see me? It doesn't look like me, but this thing on my little shoulder, it means it's my little mouse. I made it also on here. Cool, right? Oh yeah, with other people too. You see him down there? That's Sonic the koala. Sonic the koala. Don't go on his, cause his is not ready. He's really not good at building, but I'll help. Yeah, so there's a million soldier piggies. So, guys, you can't cheat the game, cause there's no way. Hey guys, if you want more of me, hey guys, if you want more of me, come on Roblox. But you can see other cool things. If you want to see me, come here now. Hey guys, thank you for watching. But hopefully I'm not going to end it yet without my little bro. I mean, that's a koala. No, that's like the name on there. To me, mine is this one. So guys, thank you for watching this video. And bye-bye, ladies and bros.